Hello everyone, it's eggnog season. Let's make a coffee. I like to use a Starbucks reusable color changing plastic cup. I love it. It has the fill lines on here and I've already got my ice in there to the top line. Next we're going to take this Starbucks cold brew. It's the sweet cream, vanilla sweet cream variety. A lot of times I just use the Starbucks blonde French roast, but you can use the cold brews from concentrate as well. So I kind of fill that to the top line-ish, or just so that it's covering the ice. Next, we're going to add in the eggnog. This is my favorite part. I know this brand, Southern Comfort, is an alcoholic brand typically, but the eggnog is non-alcoholic variety. It's just eggnog, guys. Pour it into the amount of your preference. Next, we're going to pour all of this into my Vitamix and blend. Blend it till it's the consistency that you like. You might have to add in more liquid to your preference. I like mine a little thicker, and you can see it's a little chunky here, but I like that. So lastly, you pour, serve, and enjoy. Don't forget your reusable straw. And can we just take another second to appreciate my color-changing cup? I love it. Hope you all enjoyed this fun eggnog coffee drink.